Hi guys, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 2023 Indian Sport Chief first look. So make sure to watch the full video. The new 2023 Indian Sport Chief takes the Chief cruiser platform and turns it into a sporting cruiser. Plenty of chassis upgrades accompany the big-inch Thunderstroke 116 V-twin powerplant from the Chief Dark Horse that delivers 120 foot-pound of torque at 2,900 revolution per minute. As we're familiar with the standard Chief and other iterations, let's focus on what makes this motorcycle a sport Chief. Indian Industrial Design Director Ola Stenigard establishes the criteria for the 2023 Indian Sport Chief. We wanted to maintain the same carefree attitude and American muscle, but elevate it even further with componentry that not only delivers a style and attitude that exudes performance, but raises the bar entirely for performance cruisers. The suspension is upgraded at both ends. The fork is an inverted KYB offering, the same fork used on the Indian Challenger. Twin shocks are employed in the rear, with piggyback reservoir Fox shocks getting the nod. While the KYB fork allows about the same 5 inches of front-wheel travel as the standard Chief, the Fox shocks modulate for inches of travel, an inch more than the Chief. For even more rear suspension performance, upgraded Fox shocks with damping adjustment are available, compared to spring preload only adjustment on the Sport Chief. The longer travel shock changes the geometry of the Indian Chief. The 2023 Indian Sport Chief's rake is tucked in 1 degree to 28 degrees, and the trail reduced by just over 3/4 of an inch to 4.4 inches. Raising the rear also increases cornering clearance. With the cornering enhancements and Thunderstroke 116 motor comes improved braking. The front end gets a pair of radially mounted Brembo 4-piston calipers that work on 320mm semi-floating discs. The rear gets a 300mm floating rotor and a 2-piston Brembo caliper. Sport cast black aluminum wheels give the 2023 Indian Sport Chief a stylish and purposeful look. As before, Pirelli Night Dragon tires are deployed. Wind protection for the rider is provided courtesy of a quarter fairing. The fairing surrounds the round LED headlight and has a sizable smoke windshield, along with stabilizing ducts on the sides. If you'd like a windscreen that is either taller or shorter, Indian has both in its accessory catalog. 6-inch handlebar risers give the Indian Sport Chief the latest California club look. If that's not enough for you, 10-inch risers are optional. For more personalization of the ergonomics, Indian offers 2 accessory seats, extended reach and reduced reach. Also, a passenger can be accommodated with the optional Chief Syndicate seat. The 2023 Indian Sport Chief lands on showroom floors in March. You will have 4 color choices, with the MSRP starting at $18,999 for black smoke. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.